Hey, welcome to my channel. So if you followed the previous episode, you know that I bought this abandoned sailboat for 300 bucks. The bad weather had changed my plan a little bit, so I decided to take care of these 45 years old winches, which were a little stuck. When I bought the boat, I noticed that the winches were difficult to turn, which was not surprising given the age of the boat. They are Barlow winches made in Australia, but the brand has not been around for a long time now. So to overhaul these winches, I will need an Allen key of the right size, of course, degreaser to remove the old grease, grease for winches, an old toothbrush, or one belonging to someone you don't like, an old pen brush for hard-to-reach areas, a rag, or several, WD-40 to loosen everything up, and a cardboard box. The Barlow 14 is a very simple single-spin winch. However, it's difficult to find documentation, so I didn't know exactly how it was built. I started by finding the right wrench and, surprise, the screw wasn't stuck. Before taking everything apart, it's a good idea to use a cardboard box, cut a hole in the bottom and place it around the winch. Finish it off with some masking tape to avoid losing any small part. Then I finished unscrewing the top cat, which came off very easily. Under this top cap, you can see the two small poles that provide a non-return system. Next, the goal was to remove the main part, the drum, which was quite firmly attached. It took quite a bit of WD-40 and a lot of effort turning and pulling the drum outwards. Removing the drum took me a while because it was really stuck. Finally, I started to see the drum move and it came out. Before taking it out completely, I put the cardboard box back around it, just in case. Then, I sprayed the engine degreaser to remove the old grease, which was completely dry and hard. The nice surprise was that this model is really simple, with no ball bearing. This makes it very easy to take apart and there is less risk of losing small parts. Then I use a old brush followed by a pen brush to clean the base and the central axle. insisted on the poles because they are a very important part of the winch. Then I clean inside the drum in the same way and I wipe everything down. At the base, you will find other poles with very small springs. Make sure that these poles remain mobile. To do this, I used a good amount of WD-40 to restore their mobility. As you can see, there is a small spring for each pole, and it's very important that this spring is in good condition and not blocked by oil grease. Once the parts were clean, I applied winch grease, which is easy to find. Be careful to use enough, but not too much. I did the same thing with the inside of the drum. Then I put the drum back in place, gently pushing the poles with a screwdriver until they click into place. I did the same with the top cap, greasing the upper screw. Then I put the top cap back in place, turning it clockwise to lock it into positions. And finally, I screw everything back together. And there you have it, the winch is working perfectly again. Of course, the movement is not super smooth like on a modern winch, but on the other hand, its simplicity makes it dependable and easy to maintain. That's all for today, take care and I will see you in the next video.